How to download, install, rollback older version of Office 365 on Mac. 1. Check your current Office version. Open Word or Excel. Click Word, About Word or Excel, About Excel. Note your current version and build number. Check your macOS version from Apple menu About this Mac. 2. Open Office Update History. Open Microsoft's official Office for Mac Update History page. Find the older Office version you want. Check the release date and version number. Make sure the version is compatible with your macOS. 3. Download the older Office version. Find the required version in the update history. Download the appropriate Office installer. Use Microsoft's official installer rather than downloading Office from unofficial websites. Save the installer to your Mac. 4. Completely close Office. Close Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Office apps. Open Activity Monitor. Make sure Microsoft Office processes are not still running. Quit any remaining Office-related processes. 5. Uninstall the current Office version. Open Finder, Applications. Move Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Office apps to the trash. Empty the trash if necessary. Restart your Mac. 6. Install the older Office version. Open the Office installer you downloaded. Follow the installation instructions. Wait until the installation is complete. Do not open Office until the installation finishes. 7. Sign in and activate Office. Open Word or Excel. Click Sign In. Enter the Microsoft account connected to your Microsoft 365 subscription. Complete the activation process. 8. Confirm the older version. Open Word or Excel. Go to Word, About Word or Excel, About Excel. Check that the desired older version and build number are installed. 9. Prevent automatic updates. Open Word or Excel. Go to Help, check for updates. Open Microsoft Auto Update settings. Disable automatic updates if you specifically need to remain on the older build. Remember that disabling updates can leave Office without important security fixes. 10. Test Office. Open Word and create a new document. Open Excel and create a new workbook. Check that your previous problem is resolved. Make sure files can be opened, edited, and saved normally. Important. Older Office versions may have security and compatibility issues. Always download Office installers from Microsoft or another trusted official source. Make sure the older Office build is compatible with your version of macOS.